Tips for trading crypto successfully. Here are a couple of tips to help you trade crypto successfully on Crypto.com. Do your research. Before you buy or sell any cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order that automatically sells your crypto at a predetermined price if the market price falls below that level. This can help limit your losses if the market takes a sudden downturn. Be patient. Don't make impulsive decisions when trading crypto. It's essential to take your time and consider all of your options before making a trade. Have a plan. Develop a trading plan and stick to it. This should include when you're going to buy or sell, how much you're willing to invest, and your goals for trading. Use a trusted exchange. Make sure you're using a reputable and trustworthy crypto exchange like Crypto.com. When doing your research on new cryptocurrencies, it can be helpful to do technical analysis. Technical analysis helps you better understand the market and which trend it is heading in. However, not all technical analysis tools are the same, but out of the many, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Continue to learn more. Affiliate disclaimer. Movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. You, too, can become a trader. TradingView is here to help you improve your skills and learn new strategies. Indicators are just some of the tools that will make it easy for beginners and experienced traders. The best part about trading on TradingView, you do not need any previous knowledge or experience because they have everything to help with your crypto journey. Check out TradingView today. With these tips, you will be on your way to trading crypto successfully on Crypto.com. If you would like to learn more about technical analysis, check out our previous post.